Morning guys, we have two new columns on the QDB scores, a thing called the market structure summary and a thing called the market bias. And I suppose the very simple thing that we could talk about initially is to avoid anything if it says range, because we want to be trading trending markets. So if it's something that says range, don't trade it, just avoid it completely. And so the market structure summary, that takes into account fundamental data such as a country's GDP, the unemployment, inflation, interest rate, and also not only that data, but the change from prior. So it's a very, very powerful column, and it examines the Australian economy versus the Canadian dollar economy. Okay, so it's very, very powerful, and we can see how Aussie USD has got a negative score at the market structures summary. And we've also got a negative score on the QDB score, which takes into account technical and sentiment. So the use case scenario is to examine the market structure summary, which has got a poor score. And we've had a confirmation over time using the score change, right? So that's negative, and that's negative. And we've got a sell bias. So we can come to TradingView, and we have a setup that we could have used using the RSI supply demand indicator. Very, very, very simple, just one indicator. So we're going to get the sell set up because we know that we've got a sell bias. Now you're looking at this area here and you're looking for a break there. So you could have entered it in this candle with a stop just shy of that high here, right? So hopefully that makes sense. And then you would have got a 3R. But in fact, if you let it run, you would have got a 4.3. That's if you got out at the low. For me, I would have got out at probably a 3R, which would have been there. But it would have depended, obviously, if I was at my computer, I could have let it run. And so that's how you can use it. So it's a 3R trade minimum, and it's potentially got more legs to the downside. So that's how you can use it. So we come back across. So just to summarize, you look at the market structure summary, and then you're looking for the score change to confirm the MSS, which is that market structure summary. Okay, and that's very simple use case scenario. Avoid it if it's ranging, avoid it if we've got red and green, but trade it if we've got red and red, you know, negative, negative, or positive, positive. And that's just it. It's very, very simple. And a 3R trade on Aussie USD.